Welcome to the garage, and to 2026. Step inside, and you'll notice that the world of cars has changed more in the last few years than in the previous few decades. The vehicles sitting in our driveways are no longer just machines, they're intelligent companions, seamlessly woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Electric cars are no longer futuristic, they're everywhere. From city streets to suburban neighborhoods, these vehicles have become a common sight, quietly transforming the way we move and live. The cars we drive today are the smartest gadgets we own. With touchscreens, voice controls, and AI-driven features, they're more like rolling computers than traditional automobiles. Forget your phone. The real magic is in your driveway. Your car now connects to your home, your devices, and even your calendar, making life smoother before you even step inside. These cars think, learn, and make driving a joy. They anticipate your needs, remember your preferences, and even help you relax on your commute. Your car knows your schedule, warms up before you step outside, and plans your route to avoid traffic. It can even remind you of appointments or suggest the best time to leave. It's more like a personal assistant than just transportation. With a simple voice command, you can adjust the temperature, play your favorite music, or get updates on your day. We used to brag about horsepower. Now it's all about processing power and software updates. The real performance is measured in how smart and adaptable your car can be. Overnight updates mean you wake up to a better car, new features, better range, even games. Your vehicle evolves while you sleep, always getting smarter and more capable. The shift to electric is about reimagining what a car can do for you. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about enjoying the journey with technology that adapts to your lifestyle. It's about intelligence, connectivity, and personalization. Your car knows who you are, what you like, and how to make every drive uniquely yours. Your car is now a partner in your daily life. It helps you stay organized, keeps you entertained, and even looks out for your safety with advanced sensors and alerts. So buckle up, we're taking a tour of the automotive world in 2026. Get ready to see how technology is redefining what it means to drive. We'll peek under the hood, or where it used to be, and see the tech making this possible. From powerful batteries to advanced sensors, there's a lot more going on than meets the eye. These cars are smarter, faster, cleaner, and more fun than ever. They're designed for efficiency, comfort, and a driving experience that's truly next level. This isn't science fiction, it's our reality. The future of driving has arrived, and it's more exciting than we ever imagined. The future we were promised is finally here, and it's parked right outside. Every morning, you step into a world of innovation and possibility. Let's see why this is the most exciting time to be a driver. Ready? Let's go. Your smartest gadget is waiting to take you on the ride of your life.